Lesson 2. Personal Pronouns. In this lesson, you will learn: what is a personal pronoun, English personal pronouns, and example sentences. What is a personal pronoun? A personal pronoun is a word we use instead of a name. Examples: Mark becomes he, Anna becomes she, the book becomes it. Pronouns make sentences shorter and easier.
Pronouns help us speak more easily and more naturally. Instead of repeating names again and again, we use short words. Now let's learn all the personal pronouns in English.
For singular or one person or thing, we use I, you, he, she, it. For plural, or two or more people or things, we use we, you, they. We are now going to study the pronouns in more detail. Singular. Personal pronouns used for one person or thing. We use the pronoun I for the person speaking.
I.
We use the pronoun you for the person you are talking to.
You.
We use the pronoun he to talk about a boy or a man.
He.
We use the pronoun she to talk about a girl or a woman.
She.
We use the pronoun it to talk about a thing or an animal.
It.
Plural. Personal pronouns used for two or more people or things. We use the pronoun we for a person speaking about himself or herself and a group of other people.
We.
We use the pronoun you when we are talking to a group of people.
You.
We use the pronoun they when we are talking about a group of other people or things.
They.
Here's an overview of all personal pronouns and example sentences with the pronouns. I, you, he, she, it, we, you, they. I am happy. You are late. He is Peter. She is a doctor. It is my cat. We are from Italy. You are in class 2C. They are friends. Let's practice. Listen and repeat.
I. I. Correct. I. You. You. Correct. You. He. He. Correct. He. She. She. Correct. She. It. It. Correct. It. We. We. Correct. We. You. You. Correct. You. They. They. Correct. They.
Think. Say the pronoun.
You. We. She. I. he. They. It. You.
You have learned all the personal pronouns in English. Well done. This is Ars Voxis Language Studio, helping you speak with clarity and confidence. See you in the next lesson.